Hey, Matt White with Meter Technology Works here. We're going to do a very brief demonstration of how water meters make noise, noting that water meters all make a little bit of noise, and it's dependent on the type of water meter and the flow rate. What we're going to do right now is check out a couple of different styles of water meter. We're going to pick one flow rate. The flow rate we're going to pick is 3 gallons a minute, because that's typically about what a toilet flush is. And if you're going to flush a toilet at night and wake somebody up with the noise of a water meter, that's going to be the flow rate that may or may not do it. So here we go. We're going to do that. I'm going to crack the valve here and get us 3 gallons a minute. And when I do, I'm going to use this decibel meter, and the decibel meter has a max hold button on it. Now, as I speak, my voice will make the decibel level go above and beyond the noise level that the meter's turning. So what I'll do is I will stop speaking, I will test the meter's decibel level, and then I will show that to my photographer here. So here we go. First off, we're going to crack the valve, and we're going to see if we can get us on our rotameter 3 gallons a minute. So we got our 3 gallons a minute, and the first meter we're going to look at is the Meter Technology Works SM15. This is the bronze, could also be the no lead version. It's going to be a similar metal, and so I'm going to be quiet here for a minute as I put max hold on and we see how many decibels we generate here. So we get about 74 until I start speaking, but so that was our number on our bronze or no lead SM15. Now we'll look at the poly SM15. Now I'm going to have to go quiet here again and reset this max hold. So here we go. And we get about a 74 on that one. And we're going to go to the Meter Technology Works SM15 multi-jet meter. Should be a little bit quieter. It still has moving parts. It's still going to make a little bit of noise, so I'm going to go quiet, and then we're going to do our max hold. A little bit quieter at a 72 and change before I started speaking. And this is the Elster Amco. It's kind of a Cadillac of positive displacement meters. So we're going to check this one out and see what this one does. And about a 75. Now, one more thing we're going to do, we're going to just do a check, because there's always noise in the system. There's always noise in the line. So let's just put it close to the line, because the flow through the system is going to make a little bit of noise. So with no water meter involved here, I'll do a max hold. Sorry about that. So we're going to be about 70 decibels with no water meter installed in the system. And a lot of times what happens is when we get complaints about noise in meters, it's a resonant frequency in the system. So sometimes the piping will take that noise that's generated, and all water meters generate noise, all meter lines generate noise when they're flowing. You can hear that when you flush your toilet. It's a matter of whether or not you can mitigate that, and you don't always know. You don't always know when you're plumbing what the effects are going to be. It depends on the materials, it depends on the geometry, and it depends on the location of the system. So this is just a quick introduction, and we'll do some more soon. Thank you.